Good morning, everybody. Mike Brailsford with Brailsford Woodworks. Thank you for joining me back on my channel. I appreciate it. I've got some huge projects I'm working on. I've got two huge river tables I'm working on and videos to come, but I'm waiting on a new sander I've bought to help facilitate the sanding of the tops, and I'm also waiting on the fabrication of the base for one of them. So I've got some downtime from that, and so I decided to get some footage of me doing some more bowls. And what I've got here is a piece of Bradford Pear that I turned December 23rd, 2015, where I roughed it. And you know, I just love turning Bradford Pear. The stuff finishes unbelievable. And this one had a crack that I filled with epoxy, and let's see how it'll come out. Let's get going. So for a dry, roughed out bowl like this, the first thing you're going to want to do is, if you already had a mortise like I did, you want to get the mortise round again and get it so you can put it into the chuck. So that's what I'm doing right now, is I am flattening out the mortise first, and then I'm going to make it round, and then I will use my skew to make it a bit of a dovetail on there.
So I can't, the chuck is fitting the entire mortise, so I can't get a good measurement to the center with my calipers. But based on what it is here on the outside, I probably only got about 1/4 of an inch. So all I can really do is straighten up this down here, and then that's about it. But I can still take it off on the sides and then bring it down. So here we go. Okay, so that's it for today. Here's my large Bradford Pear bowl. It was been sitting upstairs drying. I had this big old crack in it, and so I decided to tape it off and fill it with epoxy. I'm not unhappy with how that came out. There's the back. Too bad, but a cautionary tale that goes along with this turning. So I had it in my chuck, and I had gotten to the point I had finished all the turning that I was going to do, and I was sanding, and the outer rim of the bowl, you know, I don't sand it with the 60 grit because it's too aggressive. I usually wait till I get to 150 or even 180 before I hit the edge and take the sharp edge off. But that sharp edge, I barely touched it, and boy, I was bleeding like a stuck pig. So just be aware, situational awareness. It's good for myself as well as everyone else. You know, I got a little too sloppy, got a little too close, and that Bradford Pear is so hard that when it had that sharp edge, it was like a knife. And I said, when I touched it for a fraction of a second, it was a fraction of a second. And it cut me pretty good. At any rate, I got it finished, and I'm happy with how this came out. Again, Bradford Pear is one of my favorite woods. It finishes really, really nice, sands up beautifully, and I'm pleased with that. That'll go good in the winter, in my winter craft fairs, craft sales that I'll be starting here in, I think my first one's in October, and running through the end of the year. All right, thank you all for watching. If you like the things I've done, please take a look at some of my other videos. I'd appreciate it. Also, if you find value in the things that I've I've done, please feel so inclined, click like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. And as always, please stay safe. Bye-bye.